if you frankly look at the Nifty, and let's just, I mean, the global setup is very easy to understand, that the Fed reaction or the Jackson Hole reaction lasted, let's say, for a couple of hours, and that's about it, and we've not seen anything meaningful after that. And markets now pretty much know which way directionally things are moving. So there is, I won't use the word uneasy calm, but there is definitely a calm in the market, so to speak. Nobody is expecting any kind of a storm also in the nearby. I guess the trade in the short term is very simple, which is that the dollar index is trading with a downward bias. Emerging markets have started trading with a positive bias. Global markets are not far away from its all-time high, and global commodities got crushed. Look at Nifty. Last 10 days, Nifty has simply hugged on to a flat line. We may be up and down here or there by few bips, but in general, last 10-day move for the Nifty this month, and we are talking about one full month. And in this entire month, where we were bombarded with the global news, we were bombarded with a lot of macro data, there were a lot of pending numbers. What has the Nifty done? It has simply hugged on to a flat line. So that's the point I just want to bring out, that irrespective of what is happening in terms of the news or the views or the flows, markets are simply consolidating, and they're consolidating beautifully. And if you just zoom in this graph with the 1 week change, the 1 week change is even flatter, which is that in last 7 days, there you see, what have we seen? Like 2% change in 7 days. That just tells you the kind of market we are. More bad news has been thrown at us, whether it is from...
Yeah, exactly. So, but despite that, it's just been consolidation.
You're holding on. So why are you, with this kind of a set of cues and news, the market should have come down.
Yeah.
Earnings have not been great. Upgrades have not come in. So why are markets holding on, whether it is DIF low, HNIF low, money coming from insurance, money coming from, P investors? The bottom line here is that markets are holding on. They're holding on beautifully. Second, the market breadth is something which is really masking the pain which is happening in a lot of sectors. Again, I go back to that same point. Defense, railways, shipyard companies, these are the performing stocks, and these are the stocks which are just doing nothing right now. Second point is the large sector like banks, which is giving you a lot of start and stop kind of a promise. So this market, if you look from the eye of Nifty, looks like it is consolidating. You look at the market from the eyes of few sectors, well, it's a very differentiated approach. Pharma is outperforming, auto is consolidating, the reversal has started in some of the PSU names, and for IT, I think it is still like a no man's land in terms of where it wants to go.